4 on there, I think. There's about 4 on that plant. Don't know if all 4 of them are gonna make it though. Probably not. And these tomatoes look like they've got some kind of rot there.
Has he got pumpkin on the...
Yeah, there's pumpkin on there.
Oh yeah, there's one.
See one there, and there's another one over there.
Yeah.
Under the tree.
Yeah, I've seen that one.
There's one there on the floor. Under the tree. There's 3 that I can see. And that little dead one up the top. Please take that off. That's how my one's gone as well, just the same.
What's this? Oh, the gherkin. Is that gherkin or cucumber?
That's courgette.
Courgette?
Yeah, courgette, but it's growing into a marrow.
Oh.
And then this is another kind of
pumpkin.
Courgette, but it's going to grow into... This is another kind of courgette. I had one of them as well, but my one got flower rot, my one. And then, has it got any on this one? Yeah, it's got a hole in it.
You have to know what plus or what is before you talk about it. Remember all them software, them music software, them that when you did buy your thing there? I mean, have all of them. Right now, I think them up on a hard drive. I'm not putting them on my computer. But when you open up on the computer, that's it, mate. Space use up. That's why today, me can have a C drive as small as 150 gig. I mean, I'll put them on my C drive, brother.
I mean, my C drive is only 240 gig.
And how much you using on software on there? Okay. Yeah. Okay. But I'm not going to be able to hold this. Yeah? When I'm filming, I'd have to make 2 trips. Station. I'm taking the evidence to the police station.
The method that when you put the reducer on, it slows everything down. I leave that running, and I can just quietly just keep on picking, let the hose in there, just keep filling.
And every time you just pull that back.
Yeah.
Or what you do, you just fill that like
I've done them already. I filled them all up already.
Yeah, and they just flip into it.
Yes, I don't care who says anything.
Nobody can't say nothing now because you've already beat it. I just come to get my boots and some seedlings, man.
Okay.
My mate says I must film. So I said yes.
Yeah, I'm trying to get started as well, you know.
Yeah. This is not mine because I'm going up to the greenhouse in Wood Green. I told you about the big place we got over there, innit?
No.
Yeah, massive. The greenhouse is about the size of this allotment.
To do what? With you?
It's got growers groups in each sections of the greenhouse. It's massive.
Growers groups?
Yeah, we're a growers group called Black Roots.
Oh, right.
Growing Caribbean stuff, so I'm going to be digging outside now.
Man, this looks kind of full-time thing, man.
Yeah, well it is for me. Peter, this is my corn. Let me take Peter through my ground. This is my peppers. As you can see, peppers. These are some of my tomatoes. And everywhere you see callaloo growing wild, callaloo again, and there's a callaloo bunch. These are carrots. And when you go over here, up on the bed, in between the bed and everything, that's chocho. This is chard. This is butternut squash. This is another pepper bed. This is a carrot bed with beetroots. Got more beetroots down there. How do you... Okay. Got more beetroots in that bed, but there's loads of callaloo. And here, there's loads of pointed cabbages. You can see the pointed cabbage. And on the other side is the red cabbage. This here, if you look in between the stems, you have Brussels sprouts. And right beside here in this bed, you have cauliflower. Over here you have pop chow. Just put them in last week. And if you look at the size of my foot to this cabbage, that's the winter cabbage, bigger than my foot, man. And more tomatoes. As you can see, the size of these things is beautiful. But got turnips there, butternut squash there, and you have another plot up here. Those two bed there is sweet potato. This cage, my cage where we have quite a few little bits in here. Black tomato, yellow tomato, yellow one them, and long tomato, pepper. These are the Jamaica cucumber. This is another breed of cucumber. See a twin one, you never see a twin before, is it? Twin. And here you have melon. The melon you look like them soon ready, brother. See another one over here. Melon. You have another melon over here now. Just a come though, little round thing there. Or melon there. That's honeydew melon. You have dwarf French bean, and nice, you know. Only for them come. And outside there, crazy with pumpkin and more melon. Out here you can see tomato, then pepper. Then here it gets a bit crazy with pumpkin and honeydew melon. See another honeydew melon down here. And when you go inside of this, you see pumpkin, see more honeydew melon, and more than one pumpkin you see here, you know. Maybe the angle can get 3 of them one time. And underneath you just see pumpkin like crazy. Look, more pumpkin over there. Whole heap of pumpkin under this. More corn. Yeah. More pumpkin again. I run up this, you can see some baby one them. More pumpkin, man. You call a little tiny baby one, you know. Pumpkin like raindrops. Yeah. And over here, you see me two sweet potato bed. I have broccoli there. But this is the thing where you say you like the Swede. See them a come? And the purple up at the top yet. But the Swede them a come. We'll leave them in another bed, yeah. And I've come all the way up here. I'm going to forget my rotted key. I have to come all the way back. But watch grip. Watch grip. 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 Everywhere you turn, you see grip. Anywhere you look, up there's a look. It's just pure grip. Grip. Just pure grip, grip, grip. Derek and Derek's wife, innit? Derek's wife, they're in the hospital, they're coming in with nothing, but they're leaving with it. So they decide to test the staff. I know Jackie have it. So Derek now have it.
When we're Dagnam? What are you doing Dagnam now at foot? I don't make car up there anymore. Because I used to work there, you know.
Just bring half, you know, but I never want to bring up my skelly on them, you know. I never want to bring one, because I have a little patch for me already clean up for them.
You plant most of the patch?
Eh?
You plant most of it down here by you?
I've got the boy I normally do is I have them in here. We like to see them come up first.
Yeah.
Because you can't put them in the ground, you know.
Yeah, them just run straight direct.
Yeah, once we see them, we can just book. But when you putting them amongst grass, you sometimes can't know the difference.
No, they weed grow.
And then the pop try them drop out, you know.
They see that too?
Them drop, man.
Oh,
you see like one was here, it drop and bend and broke some of them. Look, look on this.
I'm gonna grow.
Sure.
I print up the thing. I want to put space in between from the zones. I want to put her name on it. No, things okay, but I'm going to go to the zones so I can get it.
Let me show you what's on screen. Coming fly first. Is it tiny when you want to tiny, yeah?
Yeah, I want to go actually.
All this is the greenhouse, yeah? All of it.
Okay.
We have a section, we have a couple sections. So this is our field. This. See? Corner people have this. Hey!
How come this one's so empty?
It's a propagator, so you start them here as babies and you put them outside. These are melon. On your video you see why melons are these.
What's this?
That's a cactus, but there's a cactus house. I'll let you see the cactus house later. Country, I think.
Manure.
Yeah, I didn't know I was over here. You have enough time up here. You'll be able to walk around by yourself. Nobody not show you.
Eat what? We buy some the other day. Them expensive, no. Well.
How much leaves on the floor? And them full of fucking juice. Put yourself, brother, anytime I want that thing going here. Like, when you're thirsty, come through here, Peter. It might be closed, but the cactus house. I don't know which cactus is what, but there's a cactus is dangerous, but it will spit the darts on you, you know. So if you're gonna fix
What's this? Tomato?
Tomato.
It look like Scotch bonnet.
Scotch bonnet, let me go by it. This is the cactus. But I don't know which one. But there is one that when you go near it, it spits the darts down into you.
Yeah?
The needles, just say. I'm not sure which one it is. Happened to me the other day, and when I went home, they just all over my fucking hands. But all of these are cactuses. Single Bible, aloe vera. See aloe vera, yeah? Don't really want to touch them. This is a cactus house. I'm going to take you around to the showpiece so that you're just familiar with your area. So the cactus system behind our piece. This piece here with the grapes, Peter. In case somebody asks you or you want to find somebody and ask somebody, it's called backyard, right? This is called backyard. See our certificate where we win?
Why this been?
Tuna. You can replant them and get more. The guy will get the lawnmower. He does flowers. Some of these things I'm going to have to plant them up outside, but I need to go and start work. So let me just, as I said, show you quickly.
Let me get the grip.
The tomatoes are supposed to be on the floor anyway. Nowhere near the floor. Take a disease.
Yeah, sorry about that.
So that £60.
Okay.
What that you had to get for sand and compost.
Yeah, I'm just there at the garden centre.
You sure?
Yeah.
And there's a
How is it?
Buy that? Yeah. Come on, bro.
She's got the invoice. She's got the invoice.
Not for this.
I don't know.
You can't use it. Put this in a bag for Peter, please, yeah? Now show Peter the other piece. See it, yeah? Yeah?
What do you want me to do?
Put it in a bag. Peter eat pig?
I know the name, but I can't remember.
Try that.
I mean, like this, green like this.
We bust one for you and show you how to eat them. Look. Yeah? Eat that.
Come.
You like it?
Tastes good. Countryman can't hungry now.
From here, P. Them bed, yeah? See a pumpkin up here? If it is big, I'm going to pull it, make it take it home. Too small to carry. Apple tree and pear tree, please. Gosh, it. Quite a few there. And if them don't pick these when them like that, they're going to turn into marrow. See, I never set them around it and they plant them up like this one. So they don't fucking know what them doing, P. You see me and that guy there? We're the two that fucking, we're the two main farmer. And because we ain't done anything, you seen how the greenhouse empty, innit? You see last year? These two plant them, this and that one, I plant them up by myself and dig it by myself. And you see the greenhouse? Full of rotted things. You see that I got them little trays? Full of that. That's what it was like. So that's ours, P, yeah? There's a forest up there where we take to train the kids and everything. But if I just coming up the I need to start work. Now they use this feed to make nitrogen fertilizer. So the fishes feed the plants with their dung. So let me show you around. There's a little fountain here. I should have made a film from that side, but they'll pass from both sides. Now. You eating here?
Feel like me in Jamaica.
So tomorrow, you know the glass when it needs to fill up and easy now. Come this way, Peter, come back and play. Take your time, come back and play. I'm telling you, them really, they work really out. All the turf is still there, Pete. If I jump in the water, though, some of them gone, you listen to my friend net and then see where I come them and jump in there. Hey, come out! This is specialist speaker. Try one of them here. You know about them?
No, sir.
Try this. I know you don't like that. This is what I got growing in my allotment and that in the garden. A lot of them drop out here. When they drop, they call them ground berry. Cape gooseberry. Because once they're on the floor, they're protected by this. You understand? Nice things, you know, love them. Nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Imagine that is a juice.
It have a lovely sour.
Sour sweet.
Almost like a June plum.
Yeah. Two man see them a climb out, man. They're not supposed to climb out. These tropical plants, they don't have to do anything. But they don't grow outside. This is a physalis. You know, this. I grow them now. Same thing when you eat them, the groundberry. Take fruit. But this is the showpiece thing. People come to them wedding photos and things, you know? It's like them in a foreign country where them tropical plant, yeah. One of them now, the tropical plant gets so big that fucking go straight through the blood clot window.
What, bust it?
Yeah, they was looking after it and they just went straight through the window. So winter nice problem. The rain coming in, the snow and that. You see this at Jamaica, ain't it? Yeah. We have a tree like this, or a couple of trees on my land, same thing there. But they've cut the branches off. They cut them and they come like this. Very big plant.
I see them in the hotel.
Very big plant.
Look at that big
when they see me do that last year, all of them started angry because they didn't know it was possible to grow.